Log on to github.com and you'll see something that looks like this. So let's explore this page moving left to right. So at the upper left corner here, you have the hamburger menu, which is a drop-down menu for all the major functions that this site provides. Now moving down and rather to the right here, you can see you've got your profile and also a link to this home page. Click on your username to access any organizations you might belong to. You can, in this case, a GitHub organization is defined as a shared account that allows multiple people to collaborate on repositories and projects under a centralized structure. Organizations are commonly used by businesses, open source teams, and various communities to manage code collaboratively. Now below and to the right, you have a button you can use to create a new repository. In the center is your primary work area. Most of what you see here are suggestions, but you can customize these to show recent activity, repositories you've worked on, trending repositories, issues, and other links for project management. There are also links for education, Copilot, and other tools to help you become more productive in this tool. To the right are repositories you've recently accessed or worked on or are just of interest based on activities and searches you've made in the past.